Hey guys, I want to help you find the central angle, which is this angle right here. And to do that, the central angle is going to be equal to 360 divided by my t. And t is equal to the number of triangles that fit in that shape. So what we want to do is we want to see how many of these triangles right here fit into this whole shape. So to do that, I'm going to take my center point and connect it to all of my corners so that I have all of these kind of divided up into the larger triangles right now. And then from there, we're going to, because we want this triangle, which is just half, we're going to divide all of these and extend it like this. And you guys know that I'm not great at drawing, so it's okay that they don't look perfect. And then from here, we want to count how many have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, t is going to equal to 12. So to find my central angle, I'm going to do 360 divided by that 12, and you're going to get 30 degrees.